Welcome on board the Star Princess. This ship operated from 2000 to 2020. Let's do a quick room tour and show you the room. So we're in the hallway, inside the door, and let's check out the bathroom since we're right here. So we'll come in here, and it's a standard cruise ship bathroom. It's got a shower, a sink, a toilet, and lots of towels. Then we'll come back out and check out the main room. This room's going to be great. It's got twin beds, it's got a nice mirror, and then on the other side, we've got a desk area, a TV, and a little mini fridge. And then this room has a balcony, which is going to be super nice for going to Hawaii. Anyway, if you look in my playlist, you can find the Hawaiian Cruise playlist on this ship. It was a great time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that, and we'll see you in the next video.